Over-tourism has ruined the natural beauty of many places. A few years back, Jibhi, a quaint town of Himachal, came on the mainstream tourist map, and since then, a lot has changed about this place. As an alternative to Manali, it is now frequented by many travelers and tourists, and hence faces problems of irresponsible travel, resulting in plastic waste and pollution. I, along with a couple of more volunteers, cleaned some tourist spots of this region that was littered with waste. We also educated the locals about the importance of maintaining the hills and their homestays. Since then, a lot has changed about Jubi tourism. The association of Jibi that looks after tourism is very aware and makes sure that their home doesn't get ruined due to over tourism. Lalit has been a driving force behind responsible tourism in Jibi, and today he joins us to share his insights and how you can visit this lovely town in a more ethical and responsible way. Before we start the session, please make sure that you have subscribed to the podcast on the platform you are listening. I will also like to mention that today's episode was recorded with a lot of disturbances from outside and along with network issues. So please don't mind the quality of sound if it drops or gets a little weird. Hello Lalit, thanks a lot for joining us. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you.
So Lalit, you have been a very inspiring figure. Your journey with GB Tourism has been really remarkable. Please share something about Lina's Palace. How did you make it eco-friendly, and how your journey with in this field of making GB a cleaner and better place has been so far?
Okay, let me correct you. We have changed the name of the property. It's called Wilderness Home now, and it's been a very long journey and beautiful journey. Right from my childhood, when I was 15, 16 years old, moved out of my house, parents' house, started working while I was schooling too as well, like distance learning or through correspondence. Did various courses in mountaineering, nature learning, etc., etc. So yeah, to answer your question, it's been a long and beautiful journey. And I started, it was a homecoming when in 2004, I came back with a thought that, I want to settle back in my village. GB started with a cafe, Om Shanti. So since then, I stayed back in GB, then Om Shanti, Lina's Place, and now Wilderness Home, and GB Adventure, which is hospitality and tourism, mostly catering to outdoors, trekking and mountaineering. I started that in 2008.
For some sad reasons, Jibhi emerged as an alternative to Manali and Kasol. While it is not a weekend destination because of so much immense richness of culture and heritage, yet people come here to spend their weekend and then just leave. Because of this, the problem of garbage, the problem of pollution has increased. So Lalit, how you and GB Tourism Association are making sure that GB remains the same pristine spot that it has been till now and doesn't fall in the trap of over tourism and ends up becoming the next polluted destination in Himachal?
Well, on association level, we are taking different preventive measures, which is educating the local stakeholders who are involved and associated with tourism activities to manage their garbage, segregate and dump it in a proper place. As we come in under Panchayat, there is no Nagar Panchayat or any other government agency who will take care of the garbage generated. So Panchayat level पे अभी उतना हो नहीं रहा है because Panchayat is not really cooperating. But since last year and last few years, we have started chalking out a roadmap. So this year we were supposed to collect our own garbage under a our association, which is GB Valley Tourism Development Association, just to begin a new initiative later involving or maybe under local panchayat or government authorities. But we were certainly looking forward to take it as a priority this season onwards.
So, what kind of education and awareness programs are you running in GB right now? And how are you connecting and convincing homestays and other tourism-based entities to follow these guidelines?
Just to give you an idea that as we do not have any recycling plant or dumping yard or anything allotted here, so we came up with few policies. Okay, whoever comes here, we will request the guests to take back their garbage. That will show the sincerity of that guest itself, that how sensitive he is towards the nature and towards the cleanliness of the problem of the village GB. So, right. I mean, it's not a very effective way, but it's one of the most beautiful way to bring in also kind of people which have a deep sense of responsibility towards the tourism. Because GB is, we would like to promote GB as a holiday home, or, you know, for people who would come for a few days stays rather than weekend, or rather than just come and party and chill and go kind of destination. So what I meant to say is that rather comparing this destination GB with Manali, Kasol or any other mass tourism destination, we would like to promote GB as a very eco-friendly and small destination where people come for a longer period of stay.
GB is perceived as a weekend destination. People come here, see the waterfall, go on some short hikes, and that's it. But GB has a very immensely rich heritage attached with it. I think there are a couple of buildings and temples that are like hundreds of years old. So, Lalit, would you like to share some interesting details about these places?
जीपी में बहुत सारे ऐसी यूनिक जगह हैं जो कि काफी एनिशेंट है, पुरानी है, बहुत खूबसूरत चीजें हैं जो कि हिस्टोरिकली अनएक्सप्लोर्ड हैं, जैसे कैनी फोर्ट, सिरोलसर लेक, रघुपुर फोर्ट, लंबरी, बाहुबाला टेम्पल. ये जगह मतलब लोग जाते हैं, पीपल आर अवेयर ऑफ देम, बट दे आर नॉट रियली डॉक्यूमेंटेड इन अ वे कि एक यूनिफॉर्म इंफॉर्मेशन चला जाए. आप समझ रहे हैं मेरी एग्जैक्टली. सो वही लोग फॉर टूरिज्म बहुत हाईली केपेबल है कि ये लोग फॉर ऐसे ऐसे नाम बन जाते हैं, ऐसी ऐसी चीजें बन जाती है. इट गॉट्स ऑल वेरी पोल्यूटेड एंड मतलब उसका मीनिंग ही कुछ अलग चला जाता है. तो ये बहुत हाई टाइम है. मतलब एज एसोसिएशन आई एम प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ जीबी वैली टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट एसोसिएशन एट द मोमेंट. So I'm trying to document all these places in a proper way, document written document की तरह.
So how are you planning to document these details, and how are you planning to make it more mainstream among travelers who come here?
Just create a pamphlet or informative pamphlet, keep that in all the homestays, local stakeholders के पास. So that the information passed on to traveler tourist will be a similar kind.
You can also create an ebook and upload it on your website. It will be really helpful because travelers who come to GB will get to learn about it in advance rather than coming to GB and then visiting the homestay and then taking out time to read the pamphlet or the booklet that you have made.
जी ये भी कर सकते हैं.
Since coronavirus started and the country went in lockdown, travel industry has suffered a lot. It is pretty sure that GB tourism is not getting any business right now. So, how did you guys prepare for it, and how is it? Has it impacted your season till now?
हम लोगों ने 15 मार्च को ही बंद कर दिया था बिफोर द गवर्नमेंट गाइडलाइंस, बिकॉज we are always one step ahead of what government policies, because most of stakeholders are very aware, and this is part of JBTDA memorandum that whatever we do very consciously, और मतलब बहुत सोच समझ के हम लोग टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री को जीबी में आगे लेके जाएंगे। तो कोविड-19 का इम्पैक्ट तो हुआ है, सब होम स्टेज मूवमेंट बंद है, बट लोग प्रिपेयर हो रहे हैं, प्रिपेयर इन द सेंस कि जैसे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करना है, मतलब बैक स्टेज जितने भी काम होते हैं वो सब करने हैं। क्वालिटी पे उतना फोकस नहीं था लोगों का, तो क्वालिटी पे फोकस कर रहे हैं, एक प्रॉपर मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी बना रहे हैं, तो सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है।
GB is very beautiful. If it was not for the lockdown, I would have gone there in the month of April or May and would have met Lalit, and this interview would have been recorded in person. But sadly, we are doing it from our homes. But if ever you get a chance to visit GB, and if you are looking for a place from where you can stay for a few months, write a novel or finish your artwork, then GB is the best place to be. There are homestays that show you the amazing views of Himalayas. Like, I can vouch for it.
This is what we really would like to promote, like a writer's hub where people can come and write. This is the sort of tourism we are really looking forward.
It is a habit among travelers to follow a certain path given in an itinerary, especially the ones who travel for weekend trips. So these travelers miss upon a lot of interesting facts about a certain place, and GB is not something that is untouched from it. So there are treks, there are temples, there are hidden waterfalls that are unexplored. So Lalit, will you like to share some interesting details about these places?
As I mentioned, that when people come for a weekend or shorter period of stay, they are not able to see and soak into the culture and like the vibes of village GB. So this is where I come forward, that कि जब भी आप GB का holidays plan करते हैं, come for a few days so that you get to see the far off villages, जहाँ पे जो गांव का village typical lifestyle है, वो आप नोटिस कर सकते हैं। वहाँ का कल्चरल हेरिटेज क्या है, वहाँ पे लोग किस तरह की खेती करते हैं। Like, this is a very interesting part that people would really like to know, rather than just going into one place and clicking photo, I guess.
Along with this, there are many interesting festivals in JB. The locals celebrate them in very unique ways, including costumes and music. And I don't think like a lot of people have attended these festivals.
Yes. Fabli is one among them, which is in Fab. अप्रैल में जीबी में एक और फेस्टिवल होता है, फिर जुलाई अगस्त में और काफी सारे फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, देयर आर लाइक न्यूमरस ऑफ देम। और ये पूरा जो जीबी एरिया सराज वैली, कुल्लू डिस्ट्रिक्ट का जो सराज एरिया है उस पे आता है। तो यहाँ पे जो इस तरह की ट्रेडिशनल और कल्चरल हेरिटेज है वो बहुत रिच है कंपेयर टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द स्टेट।
So this was Lalit with us from JB Tourism Association. It was a very interesting session with him. We got to know a lot of nice, unique things about the place where he has a homestay and travel company. The next time when you are planning to visit JB, do connect with him, learn something interesting, come back with a new memory. Make sure that when you are traveling to hills, keep the place clean. Don't use plastic. Don't buy things that you don't need, and always go with ethical travel companies. You can connect with Lalit at Wilderness Homestays on Facebook, and it has a website too. GB Tourism Association has a Facebook page where they keep updating all the recent travel regulations and new additions to the travel industry over there. With this, I like to end the podcast episode today. Please make sure that you are subscribed to the our channel on whatever platform you are listening. We will see you soon with a new guest and some new stories.